We're having this quite easy question to solve for this. What is this equal to? Okay, many of you are going to have it home, but let me show you how you solve it. We're going to use the method of BODMAS. BODMAS. Okay, where this B is bracket, this O is off, this is division, this is multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Okay, let's take a look at BODMAS we have here. Divided by 2, we have a division, that is division, then 10 divided by 2, we are going to be having 5, and then we have a multiplication, that is 5 times 5, and our answer is equals to 25. Hence, our answer is equals to 5 times 5, that is equals to 25. Okay. I know you asked the question, what if we do it the wrong way? That is 2 times 10 divided by 2 times 5, and that guy will just do by 2 times 5, that is 10 divided by 10, and equals to 1. But this is wrong, since we need to obey the principle of BODMAS. Somewhere we just see this off is multiplication, off is not multiplication. Okay, and it's division before multiplication. Take this into consideration, the principle of BODMAS. Thanks for watching this video.